YouTube. This is part 2 of the random video with Tash. Say hello. Yeah, and soon enough we'll be doing a Roblox video together. Yeah. Okay, so let's get started. What are you doing? So yeah, I was just on part 1, I was looking at weird photos of Natasha. So yeah, let's do this. So
what are you meant to be doing?
It's called a random video. What are you meant to be doing? So I'm gonna show you a few pictures.
My arm. My beautiful arm. That is my favourite flavor, isn't it?
Why don't you show us some of your Monster High dolls?
I don't anymore. See? See? I got Princess one.
Princess one.
See?
A lampshade.
What is this? Join the website. See? I'm running more. I'm giving it to my niece here.
So yeah. What? So yeah, that was my mother. So yeah, that's part 2 of random video. Bye.
Wait. I love her. Bye, YouTube.
Bye.